Most seniors don't lose their independence because of disease. They lose it because their legs become too weak to support them. And by the time they realize it, it's already too late. Their biggest mistake is that they keep moving, but they stop building strength. And that's exactly why their legs continue to get weaker. Walking every day isn't saving your legs. In fact, you can walk 10,000 steps daily and still lose strength year after year. And if you don't fix this early, what starts as slight weakness and imbalance can quickly turn into serious falls. But here's the good news. You can reverse a big part of this at home. No gym, no complicated equipment, just simple movements that actually work. Before we start, drop your age and where you're watching from in the comments. It's always great hearing from you. Now let's go straight into the 3 most effective exercises. 1. Slow calf raises. Most people rush this and get almost no benefit. Instead, stand near a wall, step slightly back, and keep your heels on the floor. Slowly lift your heels up, hold for a second at the top, then lower down even slower. That stretch at the bottom is where real strength is built. Your calves are essential for balance and circulation. When they weaken, your risk of falling increases significantly. Start with 2 sets of 10 slow reps and build up over time. 2. Split squat. This is where real leg strength comes back. Place one foot forward and the other behind on a chair. Lower slowly, then push back up through your front heel. That one detail, driving through the heel, shifts the load away from your knee and into your glutes, protecting your joints. If you have knee pain, step backward instead of forward. This single movement rebuilds strength, balance, and coordination at the same time. Start with 2 sets of 8 reps per leg. 3. Glute bridge hold. Most people don't realize this, but weak glutes are one of the biggest causes of knee pain and instability. Lie on your back, feet flat on the floor. Before lifting, squeeze your glutes first, then raise your hips. Hold that position for 15 to 20 seconds. If you feel it in your lower back, you're doing it wrong. It should come from your glutes. This one exercise alone can improve posture, reduce pain, and restore strength faster than most people expect. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more.